Well, isn't TikTok just for kids? Well, stay tuned to this whole series. I'm going to talk about how we as internet marketers can use TikTok and get leads within a 15-second video. Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about what is TikTok and welcome to the TikTok series. All right. So if you're interested, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. And so once I release a new TikTok video, you will get a notification. So my name is Bobby, and I'm going to go over this whole TikTok series, how I got 50,000 views within my first week of TikTok. So TikTok, isn't that just for kids? Well, first it was something called Musical.ly, which was a lip singing app, right? But now people still lip sync, but people also use this for TikTok marketing. So I use TikTok to market my affiliate marketing products and services. So if you'd like me to show you how to get more leads with TikTok, give me a thumbs up. Like I said, stay tuned for the next thing in the playlist, which is how to grow your TikTok channel, how to make money with TikTok, and how to go viral on TikTok. So I'm going to go over the TikTok algorithm. TikTok is like the new Vine video app, where Vine used to have small videos that users would record and upload to share with their followers, something like Snapchat. I consider it as the new Instagram before Instagram blew up. I gotta warn you, TikTok is very addicting. You get to follow other accounts like Instagram, and there's an opportunity here. Thousands of views with just 15-second videos. So if you have like 30 minutes a day to do this, I believe you guys can go viral and be a star overnight. So this allows new creators to actually go viral easily because the algorithm, TikTok's algorithm is still learning, right? It's still new. So it's time to take advantage of it, guys. So to answer your question, is it just for kids? Well, any new app, any new entertainment thing is always for kids. They always find it because of YouTube, because they're always on electronics. And they're the bravest ones. They always want to try something. All right, guys, remember, just like this video if you want to get more views. Stay till the end and I'll show you how, okay? So I tease this. If you wanted to be an internet marketer on TikTok, try searching for a hashtag like how to make money online, right? And you'll see this is not only for kids. These are for affiliate marketers, internet marketers, online entrepreneurs. All right, so to get more followers, let's comment down below your TikTok username. And then what you'll have to do is go ahead and follow at least 5 people down below, and then everyone else will return the favor. Like I said, guys, check out the playlist. I'm going to link that down below, and also a $1 course of how to get 15-second videos to capture more leads. We have 4 guys who actually blew up within the last month, and 3 of the guys are pretty much new marketers as well, not the gurus or anything like that. So be sure to check that out. The link will be down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, guys.